Good morning, everybody. This is Doug Wolf, Associate Broker with Keller Williams Town Center in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Today's Monday, and on Monday we do the Hampton Roads Southside Market Update, consisting of the four cities of Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Norfolk, and Portsmouth. We combine the data for all four of those cities, put them together, allow you to make intelligent decisions if you're looking to buy or sell property, and just to know what's going on in those markets, as well as the history of what happened a year ago versus now. Just give you some types of trend lines to look at so you can just make intelligent decisions based upon the numbers. We do this market update every Monday, and then we do a Virginia Beach market update every Friday. So we're going to get right to the numbers. On the south side now, once again, it's for the four cities of Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Portsmouth, and Norfolk. Currently active listings on the market, 6,790 properties currently on the market right now. That number is actually down 7 from a week ago, so a little bit of a dip in the trend line there for total listings on the market. And we're going to break those down a little bit into single-family homes versus condos and townhomes. The single-family homes is actually down 52 from last week, 4,748 properties total on the market for single-family homes, down 52. So 52 of those properties have come off the market. We don't know if they've come off the market just because they went pending, or if they expired, or if they were withdrawn. But the market definitely declined, and there weren't new properties coming on the market to replace it as far as single-family homes go. The low price for the single-family homes in those four cities, $29,000, going up to as high as $8.9 million. The average price, $397,240 for a single-family home in the combined of those four cities. Looking at the condos and townhomes, we got 2,043 of those currently on the market, and that number's up 46. So we had an increase in the condos and the townhomes and a decrease in the single-family homes. Price range on those, $45,000 going up to as high as $2 million, and the average price for the for the townhome condo, $286,166. One of the categories that we separate from the active listings, even though they are active listings, but we just like to keep the number separate, is our REOs, short sales, and foreclosures, bank-owned properties. 1,313 of those currently on the market. That number is up 13, so we had a little bit of an increase in the inventory for our REOs, bank-owned properties, short sales, foreclosures. Looking at pendings and solds for the month of May, currently 662 properties have gone under the pending or sold status so far this month, and it's the 24th of May, so in 24 days 662 properties came off the market being under contract. 597 of those are pending, and 65 of those have gone actually sold, so and recorded with the city. So not too bad for the month of May. 65 properties have closed. That's a total of 4 cities though, so that does sound a little light. But 597 of them pending, so almost 600 properties pending right now. The sold dollar average for the month of May so far, $274,999. So right at the $275,000 mark is the average sale price, sold price for a home when you combine those 4 cities together. Days on market, 121 days. Now, a more important number is the year-to-date numbers. So our year-to-date solds, 3,121 properties so far have actually sold when you add those 4 cities together. And the dollar average for those solds, $238,725. And days on market, 85 days on market. So if you've got your house on the market and it's a little higher than the average, it's a little higher than the average. It's lower than the average. But the real important thing is to make sure that you get a market analysis that's specific to the neighborhood, the subdivision that your property is in. The square footage is similar, as well as it's sold in the last 6 to 12 months, and the use of the square footage. So all those things come into play. I mean, these are very general numbers combining all 4 cities together. $238,725 is the average sold price. A year ago, year to date, $252,240 was the average sold price, and 84 days on market. So the days on market are almost identical, but the sold price has definitely come down, and it's actually a 5.3% decrease since last year. So we're continuing to see the trend line decrease as far as the sale price goes when you combine those 4 cities together. So please price your property correctly. Make sure that you are doing a market analysis, having someone do a market analysis for you. I can do one for you. It doesn't cost you anything. It's a totally free service that we provide. You can give me a call, 757-515-4728, or go to the website, BetterCallDoug.com, as well as you can always email me at BetterCallDoug.com. The link, or Doug Wolf at BetterCallDoug.com. So please make sure you're pricing it properly. If you're a buyer, you need to have the same thing done. Have a market analysis done on a property that you're interested in putting an offer in on. Make sure that you're close on the numbers. Make it a great day. We're back on Friday with the Virginia Beach Market Update.